Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. So may Allah bless you, always keep smile and life happily. In this beautiful, amazing style ideas, I can share videos most beautiful and attractive collections. What is stunning and fashionable collections ideas. So my dear viewers, if you don't have subscribed my channel, so if you're watching it ideas and different and decorations for what the seashells for ideas, share in this my channel. Hope you will like it. Ideas are different and stunning. I can share it with you as most gorgeous. Beautiful seashells craft ideas, sharing this my channel. So friends, watching it ideas and different and stunning. Hope you will like it. As most gorgeous and different styling. Beautiful ideas, sharing this my channel. So friends, these styles areas are different and interested. What is more styles areas? And different decorations collections areas. So friends, hope you will like it. And these more styles areas, stunning collections. So very amazing. And different style that I also hopefully you like it. So friends, I can share you as more stunning and different collections. Oh, these ideas are different styles. Let's see all the best and different style areas. And my dear friends, very attractive and let's see on the next video.